focus on the food. Like, I just want to be in that.
You can't do that.
Fucking painful.
Oh, there's an aquarium.
Dude, that's better. They're probably all brown.
Matt, what do you think we should do?
No.
Where do you want to go?
Maggiano's. It's right across. We can walk there right now.
So much better. This is like Disneyland.
I know.
No, that's
to talk about in there.
No, oh yeah.
Yeah, it's fun.
Talk about that.
I'm going to talk about
Halloween in there.
I'm going to talk about how much I want to leave. That's all I want to say.
Seriously. Come on.
It's like eating at an amusement park.
It's horrible.
I think this looks fun.
Let's do it.
You're gonna get sick.
Dude, they have a full bar.
They have shit on there for food, dude. They have shit for food. That is pizza. You gotta overrule you on this.
Dude, we're making no problem. But you know what? We're already here. We don't have to move anywhere. We don't have to drive.
I can't do this with all these carts. Look at all the baby carts. Seriously. Yeah, Angel.
That's a lot of baby.
That's like so much to deal with.
Oh man.
She's gonna love it here. I don't want to. Dude, stop looking over.
What do you want to do? Jessica?
Dude, you
What are we doing?
under a mushroom. I won't pay for food here.
Dude, this is like going to Disneyland, but it's free. You just have to pay for shitty
I won't
food.
do it. No.
I mean, that's the cover, really.
Seriously.
No. You guys, it like makes you not.
I'm not dropping 20. I'm not dropping $20 in this place.
You know what's awesome? You know how lush it looks? There's not one end of a natural plant. Like, I'm sure none of this is real.
No.
It's all
Not
plastic.
an ounce. Do you know how many dust mites around here, Scott?
Oh man, this place is clean. Oh yeah.
Dust mites.
Dude, the whole house is full of that shit like that.
Dude,
Not
look
cool.
at the aquarium. It's worth the price of admission.
You go to the walk. It's
Like,
cool
we're
in
gonna
there.
come back from Maggiano's and be like, okay, that was fun. But we're gonna come back. We're gonna come back
Let's
here,
go to
little
Maggiano's.
kids.
We'll come back here to a shop so you
So
feel
here
like
we
you
are
got
at the Rainforest Cafe. And where are they? Oh shit. And here are these animated things moving around. We have the cheetah and the gorilla. And over there, you can't see it, but there's elephants. This is so retarded. Okay, what's the verdict? What's the verdict, Ryan?
Ryan has been wanting to go to the Rainforest Cafe since he got back.
So what's the verdict?
Dude. Yeah, thumbs up.
Thumbs up. How about you, Matt?
Give it a thumbs down.
That's all you got?
That's all I got. I know this would be Angela's favorite restaurant if you ever found out.
Where are the hippos? Where are the hippos?
There's probably hippos. Go check out the fish tanks too.
Oh my god, I think I'm done.
It's almost like the rest of the world in that way.
Yeah. Well, it's like all these little, you have to go several places too. You can't just go to Walmart and get everything.
Oh, it won't?
No. Of course English is like kind of like
Yeah,
that.
but not really.
You want to get the stores?
Yeah. No, it's like when you buy electronics, you go to this one street in Twaika.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
It is nice, but drive along any freeway for like 30 minutes. You will have like 5 or 6 boxes of these stores.
It just keep repeating. It's like on a cartoon, like in the background, when the background just keeps repeating.
Ryan, every new developing suburb always has the same set of stores.
This sucks. Dude, everybody has their, their bath mats and Bed Bath & Beyond.
And a Barnes and Nobles on Borders is one.
And maybe it's not bad, but dude, that's the only option.
Look at it. It's just like towels to the ceiling.
It's crazy.
So,
And it's Christmas, and we skipped
Hey, what do
Thanksgiving.
we got over here? Games for Less, New Panda.
Oh no, that's a new one.
Weight Watchers,
Coral
Modern
fish
Salon, and Laser Medical. Weight Watchers, Modern Salon.
Yeah. Hey, ugly people. Oh my god. What?
Did you notice?
This is the best Thai food in town, though. really good.
Not much to look at, but it's cool.
This was our first choice, was it not, Matt? Yes.
Oh, dude, are you gonna be around on the 25th? Costa Mesa has a Swedish Christmas fair.
Really?
They have glögg.
Glögg?
Yeah, it's called glögg. GL with little dots over at GG.
Isn't that an